Big hands, big feet. Big something else, right? This myth has been around forever. That your hand size or nose shape says something about your penis. But what does science actually say? You might be surprised. Hey, I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and this channel is all about honest men's health, especially for men over 50. Today we're tackling one of the most stubborn myths out there. Is penis size connected to body parts like hands, feet, or the nose? Let's dig into the research. 1. Where did this myth come from? Popular culture and jokes often link penis size to other big body features. People naturally look for patterns, even when there aren't any. But this belief isn't based on medical evidence. 2. What do studies say? British Journal of Urology, 2002. No consistent link between foot size and penis length. Korean study, 2015. Measured penis and finger length, found weak to no correlation. 2021 Japanese study. Some slight connection between nose size and stretched penis length, but the link was weak and not reliable. 3. What actually determines penis size? Genetics. Penis size is inherited, but not from visible body traits. Hormones during fetal development, especially testosterone levels in the womb. Ethnicity and family traits may play a role, but again, not visible body part size. 4. The problem with body comparisons. Men often compare themselves based on appearance, which leads to insecurity. But body size, height, or shoe size doesn't determine penis size or sexual satisfaction. Focus on function, not folklore. Big feet equals big penis. No consistent data supports this. Some tall men have small penises, some short men are well endowed, and vice versa. Finger length shows penis size. The 2D, 4D ratio theory is debated but not considered reliable by most doctors. Penis size has nothing to do with your value or masculinity. Sexual satisfaction depends far more on emotional connection, technique, communication, confidence, health and blood flow. Instead of worrying about hand size, work on fitness, hormone balance, stress management, pelvic floor health. So, is penis size connected to your hands, nose, or feet? The answer is no, not in any meaningful or predictable way. It's just another myth that creates insecurity for no reason. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who still believes the hand-foot myth.